All right, it is a little bit of a steamy Father's Day, but I am actually out here doing a project. Today, I finally found a driver's seat for our 2015 Town and Country. We're going to get it put in. I'll show it to you real quick. As you can see, this part is completely gone on mine. You can see where it's kind of, other than that, and it's not all broke down over here. So we're going to get this one put in. To prepare to take it out, you're going to want to fold this stow and go. This piece on my old seat's busted, so I got to get one ordered off Amazon. I'm going to start. I watched a video. So there are these weird ass bolts back here have to come out. You have to unbuckle your seat belt, so we'll end up doing that. There's 2 bolts under the seat that I'll have to find. I'll have to get on there and dig around and find those. Then we're going to disconnect the airbag in the front. We'll unplug it. Bada bing, bada bam. We'll take the old one out, plug the new one in, bolt it in, and we should be done. This should be an easy project, but I don't know how to do jack shit mechanically, especially according to my wife. I don't know how to do anything, so this will probably take a few hours. So buckle up and let's put a new seat in the wife's van. So to get started, this part of my seat was busted, so I went ahead and I took the seat belt off. It goes up here. You got a bolt that goes here. This washer you're going to want to put right here. At least that's what the video I watched said. So I took that seat bolt out. I've got that one over there to take out. And then I was going to show you guys. And that's the bolt. It is I had to buy this little kit. A specialty bits to take that out. So I did hook this piece back up to the old seat. I'm going to have to reuse that until my new one comes in from Amazon. I've got this piece of trim ordered, so we'll reuse that. So I'm going to take this last bolt out. I'm going to slide the seat back. I'm going to slide the seat back. There's 2 bolts under here that need to come out yet. And then we're going to disconnect the battery. I'll flip this seat back and we'll start unplugging the old one. So now we've disconnected the battery. You can see these are like guide pins that guide into these holes here that help you get the seat correct. We're going to have a couple plugs here. I've disconnected the battery. I'm going to go ahead and pop these loose. We'll get the old seat out and I'll show you why we're replacing it. Okay, so I took my trim tool right here. You got to release these plugs here. I released one here, here, and then right back here. So your wires will fish right through here, as you can see as I push with trim tool. There's plenty of give to snake them out. So that's where we'll snake the wires for the new seat in. So give me a minute. Let me get this old seat out of here. Like I said, she's ready to come out. I'm going to work on getting that new seat over here and in. Alright, so here's the old seat that I took out. As you can see, it was cracking here. It was all busted here. This is all had come loose. I mean, it was just shot. So here's my new one. All installed. The front and back motor's noisy though. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Ooh. I may pull the motor off that one and put on this one. I got to order this piece yet. It's like $39 on Amazon. So I got to pick up some zip ties just to zip tie that out of the way to get it replaced. I'm going to pull that seat cover off over there. And then I'm going to have a nice driver's seat. Just going to be a little noisy. All right, well, that's going to conclude putting the driver's seat in our 2015 Grand Caravan. Probably the next thing's to be the liftgate. Every time I find one of these stinking things, I can't get off work in time to go pick it up before they either sell the whole van or they've sold the liftgate. But my wife said that's the next thing that she wants me to do, is somehow come up with a white liftgate for this. So that's going to be probably the next project on this van, is going to be doing the liftgate. Again, stay tuned. I'll have another one together shortly, and I'll see you then.